Hi, I'm Bruce Woodward, and welcome to The Cube. Located in Warsaw, Indiana, 1128 East Winona Avenue, it is a dedicated multi-tenant office facility specializing in small offices for small businesses. I'm going to take you on a tour of our facility and show you what we have accomplished since the last video we put out on our website. The building is actually three buildings that are all tied together. We have created new sidewalks, new entrances to the property, new landscaping. We've done all this in the last 2 years to make this a facility that you'd be proud to have your office in. We have Safe Harbor Insurance, a long-time insurance company, has private entrance in, but all of these offices, even though they have private entrances, do go back to the common areas, which we'll see in just a moment. This new sidewalk area is raised up. We put our landscaping in so that you're away from the street. Winona Avenue is a busy street, which ties the community of Warsaw behind me to Winona Lake, which is a tourist destination. This is a new entrance that we've put in. We list all of our renters, our tenants that we have, the businesses that we have here. I'm going to take you inside and show you how we've made it our community. You have now entered the Cube. We have a number of offices in this part of the building. We have 8 offices that are varying in size, such as a nutritional medical consulting, which is a medical consultant who practices healthy resolutions to medical problems. This gives you an idea of what the offices look like and how people have decorated them. We have waiting areas in the hallways, which we've purposely kept wide so that it keeps an open feeling. LED lighting to keep a consistent lighting. Most of the clients that come in are always by appointment, so there's just light traffic in the building. It's not a highly trafficked building, and that's what keeps it quiet and a good workspace. I think this is a nice room. It was nicely done. Makes for comfortable spaces for conversation and counseling. Again, another life counselor that has just really creating living room concepts to make people feel at home. And they all appreciate the quietness of the building and being able to be confident that their conversations with their clients are private. This is a common area which is still developing. Right now, it was just an open area where people just kind of tend to, as we're passing to the other common areas, people visit. We do have a conference room that seats 10 people with a big screen TV on the wall to give your presentations. This room is available to all of the tenants of the building. We just reserve the times that people want to use the room for their presentations or sales presentations or training sessions. I'm going to take you to another part of the building now and show you the common spaces that we have, including what we call our club room. In the center of the building, we do have ADA compliant restrooms with multiple stalls for both men and women, so there'd be no waiting. These were all completed just a year and a half ago. We're stepping into what we call the club room. The club room is, I call it an after-hour space. It's a place for all of us to relax. We have a big screen TV. We have a jukebox back here. There is exits to the outside so that you don't have to come through the building to get in. All the offices in the building, which are 12 in total, all have access to this room and the kitchen. Within the club room, we have a kitchen with microwave, coffee maker, makers, plural. We even have an electric skillet to put in here, but a refrigerator, which this is a common space that's shared by all the tenants of the building. And it's a great networking space. We've really enjoyed it. I want to show one space here. This is a laser etching business that works quite a bit with the orthopedic industry. They have their business office within here, but then go through another door, and we end up in a space that is 3,000 square feet, which is their production facility. We're coming in here on a Sunday, so things are nice and quiet. But they have access to the outside, the back of the building with the overhead door. They have access to the building from the rear, and there's parking at the rear. Behind these doors to my right are a conveyor system to 4,000 square feet of storage space in the basement, which is all shelving with 8-foot ceilings. It's good for small article storage. That can always be a part of this space for rent in the future also. This is a representative sample of the offices that we rent as we rent them. We can provide the desks. We can provide wall hangings. We can provide weight chairs. The only things we do not do is we do not supply computers. Every office door has its own key and is privately locked. Access 24 hours a day to be able to come and work when you choose. $350 a month. We do it as a 6-month lease. In conclusion, the Cube has been a dream of mine. I started with a building that had been let go and repurposed it into something that the community needed, which was small office spaces. It has been a good journey. I'm really proud of what I've done here, and I'm happy to share it with all of you. And I really appreciate your coming to our website, woodwardprops.com, to see the Cube, and hope that you'll come and visit us in person to experience it for yourself. It's a great place to run a business and to feel comfortable. We thank you for visiting the Cube, 1128 East Winona Avenue, Warsaw, Indiana.